This is recorded in front of a live studio audience. Okay. Here we have a quadratic, but it's an inequality. Difference between this one and the problem that we were just doing in the other quadratics is that was an equation. This is an inequality, so that means there's like a whole bunch of solutions. So the first thing I think about and want you to think about when you see this inequality sign is that you're going to need to put this on a number line. Okay, that's how we solve these. So we take that and we're going to put essentially our two solutions when it equals on our number line. There's going to be two spots on here. I'm just going to put just generic spots somewhere. It's not like a perfect number line. It just gives us a picture. And these spots are open because it was just strictly greater than. All right. So this quadratic inequality factors, I believe. Do you believe? Do you believe it factors? Can I factor it? Okay, so I want to change it to an equation. I want to know when it's equal to 0. Okay, so where is it equal to 0? I change it to an equation because I want to know where those dots are. And if you have done your practice factoring, then you will know that this factors is x minus 7, x minus 3. Okay, and they're both minus because the middle term's negative. So now, what makes this 0 right here? 7 and 3. Those are our spots on our number line, 3 and 7. The last part to determine here is where is this true? Is it going to be true in between 3 and 7 where the blue line is? Or is it going to be true on the outsides of 3 and 7 where the green lines are? So now we did a test point and we tested a number and we tested a really easy number. The easiest number probably to test usually is 0. So if we test x equals 0, I'm going to move some of this around here. This kind of, wait, look at that. Ooh, look at that. I should have done something smarter than that. Come on, you're smarter than that. Whoop, maybe not. Whoa, that is super bright. Okay, let's go back to where were we now? Okay, bear with me here. This happens all the time. This is very good. Technical difficulties here. Okay, this is kind of funny. I'll provide some background music. It's okay. Hey, okay, there, perfectionist. All right, so those spots, I want to test 0. The last thing I was talking about before that all happened was testing 0. 0 is over here. So if I check x equals 0 over there and it ends up being true, then we'll determine that the green arrows are our solution. So when I put 0 in, and it's easiest to put 0 in right there and right there, it's going to be 0 minus 0 plus 21 is greater than 0. Is that true? Okay, so it's true. So then what we've determined is our solution is the green part, not the blue part. So let's get rid of the blue part because that part is not true. So the part that is our solution is anything less than 3 or, because there's this big space here, this big open space is or, it can't be the both. So it has to be x less than 3 or x greater than 7. Okay, that is an quadratic inequality. Now, hold on. Now, I didn't ask them to clap. They actually clapped. There was only 3, but I was actually clapping for that one. All right. Next.